come, folks. It's our Oldham mascots, Ollie, Millie and Rodney. And it's that Eddie with them. We've got our deputy mayor, Eddie Moores. Go on, give them a wave, folks. Give our mascots a big wave. That's Ollie and Millie. And I think you can guess which one Rodney is. We've got our brand new parade banner here as well, folks. Yes, we've had Helen Lulner, she's come in. I think there's been a little inspiration from Ollie there. We've got the Oldham Owl on our parade banner. That's it, give them a wave. That's it, Kirsty, keep them in line. Good to see you. How you doing? Give them a wave, folks. Our mascots and our deputy mayor here. Oh, I've been fair. It's fake news. Apologies, folks. We've had an upgrade. We all love a free upgrade, don't we? We've got our mayor here, folks. Give him a wave. And the fantastic Dog Cross Silver Band, yes. We love the big drum, we love the silver and the brass of Dog Cross. We're going to have some of them back for Brass Monkeys in December, yes. And you'll see them on the high street around 1:30. They're going to be playing up by Primark. They've brought a special Christmas medley for us here. Dog Cross Silverman, folks, yes, yes, yes. And they've got a particularly new fan. They've got their super fan here, our Golden Reindeer, yes. We've had the fabulous folks at No Iron Theatre with Chris Anderson, with our Golden Reindeer. We've got Oldham Theatre Workshop here with our penguins all the way from the South Pole. Give them a wave, give them a flap. We've got Spruce Cantatas, yes, Oyster Opera. They're going to be around and about on the high street later. Give them a wave. What a tree. What a spruce. We've got our Red Reindeer here. This was the winter project with Oldham Youth Service. Looking good. And we've got the fabulous duo from Upper Level. We've got our super tall Upper Level elves. Give them a wave. They'll be on the high street later on if you want a photograph with them. Don't be shy. How are you doing, folks? Just scooting along here. No messing. We've got our Christmas scooter gang. Looking good. Rocking the scooters. Is that the Grinch there as well? There's always one, isn't there? There's always one. Give them a wave, folks. Give them a wave. We've got the fabulous fabulous Oldham Scottish pipe band. Oldham Scottish pipe band, ladies and gents. Yes, and they'll be on the high street around 1 o'clock. A little further up by Primark, the pipe band will be there at about 1 o'clock. We've got our green reindeer. Chris and the gang at No Eye Theatre. And Tina Ramos of Congo. Give the green gang a wave, folks. We've got the fabulous Men Behaving Dadley. Gotta always get the award for the best name in the parade. Men Behaving Dadley there. Give them a wave, guys. Christmas crackers. Christmas crackers. We've got our fabulous mistletoe bells. Yes. Give them a wave, boys and girls. Little uns, big uns, in between uns. You'll see them on the high street a little later on as well. Don't be shy, take a photo. Men Behaving Dadley there. Here come our mistletoe bells. And our silver reindeer. The third structure here from Chris Anderson at No Eye Theatre. And artist Melanie Roberts. This is the silver and white section of our parade. Yes, yes, we are truly blessed. Give musical Ruth a wave. That's right. I like this, we've got some skin chic go on. Yes, we've got the ALOT Academy. Give them a wave. Look at that snow. 100% chance of snow round here. That's the ALOT Academy. We've got our fairy godmother right here, yes. Give her a wave. And Fierce Dance next up here. Bring in the reindeer vibes. Give Fierce Dance a big wave, folks. We're going to see a little bit more from Fierce Dance. That'll be 1:30 right here. And then we've got the big fella himself. We're going to have the big fella back with elves, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock for a meet and greet right here outside the Old Town Hall. It is our Christmas parade.
Right, so I don't know what's happening, but so in my town there's currently loads of shit happening. Even though we're putting a Christmas tree show in November, which is a bit odd, in my opinion. I don't know why. To be honest with you, I noticed how early it's getting recently. Like, it's going to get more and more early to the point where it's going to be in fucking January or something. You know, start tripping on in February, my birthday. But, you know, it's calm. Anyway, we're going to meet up with my mum. She's at Hull Baggins, so I'm going to meet up now. So see if you can see monks, are we? What we had, just see a woman in a mobility scooter that is bang nagged. We're there to find her. What's this? Oh yeah. Oh, just to take cats. Hello, Mum. I'm ready for these. Hello. Hello, Max.
I didn't see that.
You think you're well sick, don't you?
Yeah,
What, really?
I am.
Yeah, nice. You can't see me, that's John Cena. We'll just do gymnastics, you know, every day. What the fuck is he doing?
No, you're not. They're stacking around.
What are you doing, Max? Well done, Max. Want a medal?
I already have 40 medals. No, wait, can't hop
Well,
over
I
that.
have got a surprise for you.
What is it? Just give me a clue.
No. Well,
Okay, that's the clue. No. No. Let me guess that clue. No. Haha, very funny. Is it a phone?
What?
Is it a phone?
No, that's not a surprise. I need you to fix your phone, which I will get to it soon.
It's my
Because I need
fault.
to record for me.
It's
that's
my
why.
fault I broke it.
No, if the battery died.
Well, it was my fault the first time, and the second time weren't my fault because of the battery.
Yeah.
Battery, not me. Blame the battery. Don't like my feet, they're so slippy.
Well, it's not walk fucking properly. Maybe we get somewhere. The fuck. Oh, you fucking idiot.
Which one they did?
Mother!
Go on.
Lakini ako.
Camera effect.
Let's go.
The time to share.
I'm driving to Scotland so
No,
many
let's try
times.
it. Yeah. Oh, hello.
Might as well. Might as well.
It's a time to share. Because the world champions, I don't think.
Like that. Let's wait that.
That's the first club where Oldham Edge Bonfire.
Really?
Yeah, your hospital. That's the first clock.
Ah, they kept it.
Eh?
Kept
Yeah,
it.
look.
Oh yeah, they have.
Yeah, that first clock.
Yeah. What's happening? Tegan wants to see me, so she might be part of the vlog. Don't fucking know though.
It's a donkey. So, you're very handy, good at making stuff, a few bits and pieces and some sticky tape. Make it some antlers.
Ellen, you are a genius.
I'll place these antlers on your head to certify that you, Lenny, what's the donkey's name again?
He doesn't seem to have one.
Oh, he should have a name, really.
Oh, it doesn't matter because from this moment, you will be a reindeer.
Right, so third plan. So I'm not going to record everything because it's going to be too long. I am going to meet up with Tegan apparently.
He doesn't look very
She's going to see me.
happy.
So Tegan might be in this video. I don't want to meet her. I'm too scared to go. It's fine.
Sorry,
I don't want to meet her.
I'm just too tired.
And just like she did every night since Donkey had got his antlers, Lenny would get him his barley straw, some fresh water, brush him down and put on his blanket. And Biddle and Fluff would squeak magical stories until he fell asleep. And even Lenny found herself yawning.
Sleep well, donkey. I mean reindeer.
Hello.
You alright?
Hang on, wait a second. I thought I recognised you for a second. Tegan wants to meet up with me, so I want to meet up with her probably.
Ellen and Jenny
I didn't realise you were there. I've been ringing you all day, bro.
Have you?
Yeah,
That's my phone at home.
you twat.
Got it.
Ah,
Right, I'll just get Lenny in and ready for
Was
bed.
your mum down here earlier?
yeah,
The tree decorations
What it
out.
was?
Because
yeah.
it's Christmas
You
now.
looked at
The
me.
parade was shit, weren't it? The parade was shit.
Yeah.
I thought I recognised you. I thought, hang on, I recognise your hair, your beard.
I seen your mum walking down. But
Yeah.
I don't think she recognised me.
Oh, I want to meet up with Tegan after this probably.
How much money
She wants me to meet her, she's begging to meet me, so I was like, I'll meet you after the fireworks.
Is you fucking?
Yeah. 5 including me.
Mr. Measley served
6 including my dad.
We have made a profit this week.
What do you mean?
Haven't you heard?
Heard what?
At that very moment, a beautiful owl landed in the yard of the pub.
Do you know Harry Potter playing?
News, isn't it?
What's happened?
Here's one reindeer short for Christmas Eve. It's awful. Just
What's
awful.
that?
Reindeer flu has swept through the whole
Is this a new episode of
herd.
it?
Father Christmas thought he'd managed to separate the Christmas poo just in time. But one of them has fallen ill today.
Which one?
Rudolph. The sleigh can't fly without a full crew.
So what will he do now?
Who knows? Unless you happen to know where he can find a standing reindeer.
They followed the mice deep into the dark forest.
Then, when they reached a clearing in the trees, the mice turned back and they went on alone.
Which way do you think?
I don't know.
Suddenly, there was a strange sound coming from somewhere.
What is it?
Lenny and the donkey didn't know it, but there were pesky piskies about.
Now, I don't know what you know about piskies, but they are rather like pixies, but a little more wild, a little more silly, and a lot more mischievous.
Oh. For fuck's sake.
Are you strong?
Donkeys are very strong.
You have a truthful heart. I think so.
He does.
Come closer, little one. Tell me about your friend here.
He's very funny, and I didn't really believe in wishing, but here we are, and if you help him be a magic reindeer, I know he'll be the best reindeer ever, and I will know.
What will you know?
I think I will know that maybe wishes can come true.
Oh, you like it?
Donkey, I hereby declare you an honorary reindeer. Wear these golden antlers with pride.
Yeah, man! Yeah, man! Yeah, man!
Shall we get those Christmas lights on? I said, shall we get those Christmas lights turned on? Try and both dim those lights. Shall we have a countdown? Yes! Let's start at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Merry Christmas!
With the Christmas lights on and the party in full swing.
Oh, it's magic, isn't it, this? Everyone together and so happy.
There's nothing better. Suddenly, there was a noise from above.
I don't believe my eyes.
It's Father Christmas.
Sorry to bother you, but I believe you might have the perfect reindeer to help me tonight.
Me! Here! Me!
Then come along, we've got work to do. What's your name then?
Oh,
I'll need to know what to call you as we race across the sky.
Lenny, you choose.
How about Rory?
It's my favourite name.
Right, come on, Rory. I'll bring him home, don't I?
Have the best time ever!
See, Lenny, my wish did come true. I knew it would. You have to believe in wishes now.
I do! I really do.
Merry Christmas, everyone! Ho, ho, ho!
Alan, call me the fucking lanky twat, because I'm tall and I can stretch my fucking arms.
Shut up, you lanky git!
Merry Christmas!
I can see you!
Where's the other one? Oh.
I'm a Christmas tree.
Come on. Oh, look at that. Oh! Jesus!
One's coming.
Hey, look at that. There's the one, ready? Oh! Fucking hell. Oh, they're getting big now. Fucking hell. Yo, when I was a baby, I used to fucking terrify of these, you know. I bet. Shit, that one. Oh no. Oh, there we go. Oh! Hey, look at that. Big and camera, but fucking hell, they are huge. I bet your last one's looking bigger. Oh. 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 Bonfire, that was shit. This is a lot better. the fucking bonfire tonight. Holy shit.
That was good, that.
They were.
That was awesome.
Jesus
How
Christ.
beautiful was that, though?
Amazing. Right, I'm gonna ring Keegan and go see where she meets up with me and shit.
Alright.
Plus to see me, so.
I'll see you in a bit.
I'll see you at home. If I don't come back, you know why.
Yeah.
I'm dead.
Can you hear me? Bye bye.
What the fuck? That's so good. Where is it?
Oliver's got it. Do you want me to say it? It's in his side. That's my hand. No, I can feel it.
Where the fuck is it?
It's my hand. Oh, the vodka. He's got it. I know he has. No, he doesn't. Look at my fleas. Rob, turn around. Turn to the side.
Why is this turned to a pat down? Yo.
That's not me.
Well, that's gone then. That's done. I wonder how many rats are in here.
And then I went and sat.
Hello.
Yeah, but I don't want
It's not here. Look, come down, no. Tegan, it's generally not down here. No, look, come here, look, down here, look.
What the hell?
No, it's not there, look. No, it's not there at all.
I keep checking my bag just in case. I mean, we've lost a bottle of vodka. We've got to be quite. How the fuck did we lose it?
How did we lose a bottle of vodka? What the fuck?
What the actual fuck?
See what Ewan has to say,
We're
guys.
so dumb.
Can't believe we've lost a bottle. Move! How? If someone took it, they would have had to walk past me. Are you putting it out? What, have you left it?
But where? Up there. This is gonna miss out, you see.
No, it's not.
Where?
Tinker, are you dumb?
It was not there. It was not there.
It wasn't there. I knew someone. I'm not fucking stupid. I'm not fucking stupid. It's been there the whole time. She's being stressed now, bruv. No, that was actually so pissed off.
Okay, so that's the end of the video, guys. I didn't really record much because there's other people there that I didn't know. I don't know if they want to be recorded and their privacy being completely invaded. But I just showed some clips. Hopefully you don't mind that, the people that were with me. But it was nice to meet you, all you. Sorry if I was awkward at the start of it, but that's just me. Also, I was not meant to meet Tegan today, but for some reason I did. Hopefully, might be able to do more videos with Tegan soon. In real life, instead of being on video games or on a computer. But, anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. And pretty much, yeah. And, peace out. I'm trying to get 23k, so please help me with that. Also, Oldham Council, rate you. The fireworks are actually better than bonfire, and that's fucking saying something. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, like I said. And yeah, it was lovely to meet you, Tegan. This is my first time meeting her, by the way, and like the whole of YouTube, my history of YouTube. And not in YouTube, just in general. Like this is the first time I met her. Today was the first time I met her, and I gotta give it to her. She was really nice. It was a vibe. She was really fun to be with. You know, so I love you to bits, Tegan, for that. But anyway, see you all later. It was really nice to meet you all. Alright, anyway, see ya. Bye.